Hey guys, my name is Maze Sarah. Welcome to my channel, guys. So, guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a floor cleaner, guys. It is so simple, guys. So, we are going to use a slash, chloroxylenol, water, perfume, and color, guys. As simple as that. So, now here's my water. So first I'm gonna mix my water with slash. So my water is 1 liter. So my slash is 250 gram, guys. So I'm going to mix my slash with the water first. And then mix it together, guys. I mix it together. And then after mixing it together, guys, I'm going to put my chloroxylenol and perfume. So perfume, I'm going to use citrus, guys, because it has that smell, guys. Nice smell. And perfume. And then mix it together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. And then, guys, lastly, I'm going to put my color, guys. And then mix it, mix it, mix it. So mix it together. And guys, thank you for supporting me, guys. And thank you for my service, guys. And I can see, guys, we are growing. I even have service from other countries, guys, from Lesotho, from Zimbabwe, from Zambia, from Botswana. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the support, guys. I really appreciate that, guys. I can see you love what I'm doing. And yeah, you give me that power, guys, to do more. So yeah, guys. Thank you so much. Now here I only make 1 liters of water, guys. So if you want to make maybe a big one, maybe 10 liters of, you can put 10 liters of water, 1,000 gram of slace, 500 milliliter of chloroxylenol, and then 10 liters of water, 20 milliliters of perfume, and 10 milliliter of color, guys. That's for if you want to make a big thing, guys. But here is only a smaller thing, just to show you, because I don't have a order for it, so I don't want to use my materials, lot of my materials, guys. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't. Oh my God. Oh, let me try here, guys. Let me try here. I don't know if you can see, guys. This is our floor cleaner, guys. This is our floor cleaner. So yeah, guys, please comment, please share, and please, guys, subscribe. You see, guys, I didn't put lot of dye, just a bit, just a little bit of dye, guys, and the smell divine, guys. I use citrus perfume. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.